Mura, KTN.
Of scavengers and vultures, just who is fooling whom? Now, meanwhile, the embattled former CS Tuju can heave a sigh of relief after the High Court judge Martin Muya granted him a 200,000 Kenya shillings anticipatory bail. This means Tuju is now cushioned from police arrest after moving to High Court to block police from either arresting him or charging him. Now, still on the same case, a Kibra court will tomorrow decide whether the former CS will be charged in absentia or not. Tuju's defense team told Kibra Chief Magistrate Stella Atambo that the court cannot proceed to prefer charges against Tuju in his absence, while the prosecution argued this was in order. The Chief Magistrate noted that both sides had raised weighty issues, but ordered that the accused must be given proper medical attention. Alano Chanda reports.
Easier as possible for the court.
A packed courtroom where embattled former Cabinet Secretary Tuju was supposed to be arraigned early today, but failed to take off as he remains indisposed and admitted at the current hospital.
Okay.
Tuju's lawyers, led by former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka, put up a spirited fight to block the court from pressing any charges against the former Cabinet Secretary, arguing that his absence means the court lacks jurisdiction on the matter.
What we saw yesterday was real force, brute force, abducting a Kenyan citizen because he has served at senior levels, and then because of that, Your Honor, in the absence of Mr. Tuju, not to proceed in any manner with this unfortunate prosecution.
When an accused person who was in the custody of the state is not before court, Your Honor, my mind informs me that there cannot be a charge before you, because the legal foundation of a charge is the presence of a suspect.
The prosecution, however, averred that charges can be pressed even though the accused was absent.
One of the innovative inclusions of the new constitution is that a case can proceed even to conviction in the absence of an accused person.
I will give my ruling tomorrow, the 25th of March, 2026 at 12 o'clock. In the meantime, let the patient or the suspect, Honorable Tuju, whichever you please, be availed comprehensive, proper medical attention to avoid further injury and or deterioration of his health.
Tuju's advocates told the court he was mishandled, which rebooted a spinal injury he sustained in a road accident 5 years ago. Tuju was arrested yesterday after resurfacing in what the DCI believe was a stage-managed abduction. Whether it is lawful or not for the prosecution to prefer charges against Tuju in his absentia will be determined tomorrow, Wednesday, by the Principal Magistrate Stella Atambo. Alano Chanda, KTN at Kibra Law Courts in Nairobi.
Now, the alleged